Hey, it's Jay and welcome back to another video on the Hands for Hire YouTube channel. I just want to thank everybody who supported this channel over the last year. We started with our first video January 26, 2019 and we've come a long way since then. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a few of these and I'll explain how at the end of the video. We're not going to be going inside the unit at all. We're just going to be flushing through it. Okay, it's time to get cleaning. It has to dry still, but it's looking pretty good. So as you can see here on the cloth, we pulled it out after 20 minutes of soaking and the stain is gone. Alexa, ask Hayward to turn on the blower. Oh, good. Okay, so this is where the electricity is coming into the light switch. As electricity flows through, it bleeds off 6 milliamps of current. If you look right here on the desk, I'm gonna turn the foyer light off, which is in the background, and you'll see it just went off, and I'm gonna turn it back on. For this tutorial, we caught up with Ken the detailer, who's a new lend-a-hand user on the Hands for Hire app in the Jacksonville area. He gave us a few tips on how to wash, clean, dry, and detail a car, golf cart, or a truck. Paper towels always leave behind linty streaks, so when cleaning windows, you're better off without them. Buff with a microfiber cloth until you're streak-free. And of course, that corrosive reaction etches the surface of the concrete. It's just science. What happened?
I hanged on the towel rack.
And why'd you do that?
Because I thought it would hold my weight.
And then what happened?
It didn't hold my weight.
Yeah. Alright, so the next thing is we're going to attach these two boards using the biscuit joiner. Let's put on that second coat of satin finish and in 12 hours the computer will be all set up on this thing. I'm getting a good workout because I have to run up and down the stairs each time I flip the breaker. Nope, not that one. Oh, it slipped. No! Alright, one more try. Come on. Yes! Oh, that feels so nice. The piston moves up and down in the column where gas enters the chamber, and as the flywheel rotates clockwise, it pulls the piston down the chamber and then back up the chamber, compressing the gas. I'm going to assist you in installing a Ring doorbell today.
I'm going to assist you in doing
No, you're doing all the work. I'm just going to be here just to check.
Oh,
that's
great.
all.
Okay. All right.
Microwaves, hot pocket, and infrared or heat waves are non-ionizing, so their photons don't have enough energy to displace electrons. This is good, non-cancerous. These are the type of waves that Ring uses to sense motion. Pretty easy. I can just flip off one of these. You look down in there. Most of these look pretty good. This one might need a little bit of water. Okay, now we're testing the tire pressure. We're gonna race, and we actually have a neighborhood kid to race in this golf cart race.
Yeah, hi!
Hey, it's Jay, and I am excited today. It is brewing day. Woo! This is my brother-in-law, Craig. He's got a PhD in chemical engineering, but he's also got a PhD in brewing. So he's gonna be helping me today. You know, I'm an engineer, for God's sake. I know, do two at once.
Smarter way to do this. I really wanted to show off I could try doing 3.
Where's your homebrew? Yeah. Well, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. You're breaking your own rule from part 1. It's fine. Whatever. All right. Just get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. All right, sorry. Let's just get started today. Hey, it's Jay. I'm up here in my attic, and today I'm going to take you through the household maintenance checklist. Here we go. And I'm over at my buddy Steven's house, and we're here trying to put in some under cabinet lighting, and it has been quite the project.
It really has.
In order for the camera to capture that frame, it opens and closes a shutter, which is like blinking your eyes. And the shutter speed is how long the shutter's open before it closes again to capture that one frame. Perfect, right in the center. Alright, so let's just get a fresh bulb, and connection there on this one looks pretty good. Oh, yes. Hey, it's Jay, and I'm here with my father-in-law today. I've been coming to your house for how many years now?
Way too many.
I've never heard a squeak on any door in his house. It's unbelievable. He is the master. And today,
We're going to reveal trade secrets of how my father, his father taught him, my father taught me, and now this young man here needs to learn how to cure a squeaky door.
let's do this. I love it. If you haven't had a chance to check these out, these smart plugs are awesome. They're super easy to set up, and they work with devices like Alexa and Google Home. Let me show you where I use these in the house. Here I've used a smart plug outdoors in one of the waterproof outlets to automate all my landscaping lights. They're set on a timer through the app, or Alexa, turn on the garden lights. Use Alexa. During the holidays, I use 5 of these around the house to automate all the lights. Let me show you how to set one of these up. In order to calibrate, step 1, plug in your smart plug. Step 2, go to Google Play or the App Store and find the Smart Life app. I've already downloaded it, so open the app. And you're gonna have the option to either register or log in with an existing account. I have an existing account already, but if you click register, it's going to take you through a simple registration process. Once you've registered and are on this screen, click the plus sign to add the socket and then select socket Wi-Fi at the top here. Step 4, turn on the device and then hold for 5 seconds until it blinks rapidly. Confirm that it's blinking rapidly and then add your Wi-Fi password. Once you've added your Wi-Fi password, it'll connect to the socket. Mini Smart Plug 4 has been added. We're going to click this. We can rename our device. And I'm going to rename this the desk plug, because that's where it's going to go. Save. Our desk plug is now connected with Alexa already, because we've set it up before. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And now we're calibrated, so I can take this and I can plug it in anywhere in the house, as long as it's within the Wi-Fi network, and it's good to go. For the finale here, I have a light on my desk that requires so much to turn it on. I have to go in here, pull this out, turn this, come back in here, fiddle with this, put this back. It would be so easy if I could just voice activate this light on. So that's what we're gonna use the plug for. All right, I'm under the desk here. I've got a power strip set up. And here's my lamp light. Plug this in. In order to set this up with the Amazon Alexa, you're gonna come up into the app and go up here to the menu and click on Skills and Games. If you don't have the Smart Life app, you're gonna come up here to search and you're just gonna type in Smart Life. And then it brings the app right up. I'm already set up with the skill, but if you are not, then just enable it and then you're good to go. You can come over to devices at the bottom here. You just click the plus sign up here, and it asks you what type of device you want to add. All right, you should be able to select the type, and then it's just gonna search for it. Since I've already set up my Smart Life app, it automatically added that new plug to the plugs here. So you can see right here, click on. The plug works and comes on. If I click this, it turns off. Pretty cool. So let's try it with Alexa using a voice command. Alexa, turn on the desk plug. Boom. Alexa, turn off the desk plug. There it is. If you'd like to win one of these smart plugs, you just have to do a few simple things. 1, you have to subscribe to this channel. 2, you have to comment in this video below. And that's it. But the intent of this channel is to help people with DIY projects around the house. And I have a feeling that this audience also likes to help people. So when you leave a comment below, tell me how you recently have been of service to someone else, or how you intend to aid somebody in the near future. Maybe this product is something that will make your life better or somebody else's life better. Once this channel's hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll select 3 to 4 winners from the comments below. You must be 18 in order to win, and I will do a live video to let you know who I've selected. And I just want to say thanks again for all the support over my first year making these videos. Thank you. Oh, Caleb, you're killing me, buddy. Ugh.